Glow. Like, kind of look around you a little bit. Say, where's this glow coming from? Yes, darling, that's right. Yeah. Oh, super. Really, really good.
You can hide the paper towel, it'll be great.
And then all of a sudden, it feels as if everything in the world. You hear all that? The crickets. Do you hear all of that? That really happened. Actually.
Wow. That's good ambient sound.
Exactly. He actually says. And then there was just this eruption of cricket and cicadas. Loud.
Get out of here!
I know, this always happens. Welcome to Mysterious World. For years after that, I would hear that and it would bother me. So listen to that sound, and it's almost like something that makes you feel nauseous or sick or... Yeah, you getting it? Guys, getting his face? And then all of a sudden, it's like everything's just gone quiet. Can you imagine just suddenly being deaf? And just kind of looking and tilting your head like I can't hear anything. You know, like a dog does when it's like, Scooby, like, yeah. Yeah, is he looking nice and, does he need another dab of, has he got too much sweat on his face?
Maybe the hair a little bit in there.
Makeup.
Alright. So guys, you're real nice and tight on him?
Yeah, ma'am.
Alright. So let's just try it a couple of different ways now, so you've got lots of expressions. So first you're going to notice suddenly a glow is just appearing everywhere. What is this glow? What is this? That's crazy. Is there spotlights? Is there well, we don't know what helicopters are really. What is that? And then, all of a sudden you hear all these crickets and it's just, oh, you hate that sound. Beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. You getting it, guys? Getting a little frown? Isn't that so cute on a kid? And then it's just suddenly really, really quiet. Oh!
Oh my God!
Thank you, universe!
That was the magic word.
The cricket
Isn't
whisperer.
that crazy?